Welcome to Executive Due Diligence Report for Phraxis. 1. Company and Technology Overview. Phraxis has developed the EndoForce system, which enables minimally invasive, sutureless vascular connections inside blood vessels. This innovative endovascular anastomosis platform is designed to address a critical unmet need in vascular surgery and endovascular interventions. By enabling fast, secure, and reproducible anastomosis, EndoForce opens the door to new minimally invasive alternatives to open or hybrid vascular reconstructions. At its core, EndoForce is a proprietary catheter-based device that can be easily inserted into a blood vessel and then controlled to deploy anastomotic rings or staples. These rings are precisely positioned within the vessel to create a durable connection that promotes healing and recanalization. Importantly, this system is compatible with a broad range of vessel sizes and complex anatomies, making it highly versatile for various applications. The EndoForce system streamlines the procedural workflow to reduce operative time and potential complications associated with vascular anastomosis. For vascular surgeons and interventionalists, this translates to a compelling alternative to traditional open or hybrid techniques, which often involve lengthy procedures, larger incisions, and longer hospital stays. Furthermore, the EndoForce system is designed for seamless integration into existing interventional and vascular surgery suites. Its intuitive device controls provide tactile feedback to the operator, ensuring precise and accurate deployment of the anastomotic rings. Additionally, the system is compatible with standard imaging modalities such as fluoroscopy and ultrasound, enabling real-time visualization and guidance throughout the procedure. Phraxis has also put a strong emphasis on training and education, offering dedicated training modules to facilitate rapid adoption by vascular surgeons and interventionalists. 2. Market insights and niche value. The primary target indications for EndoForce are vascular anastomosis procedures commonly performed in the treatment of peripheral artery disease or PAD, the creation and revision of dialysis access, and complex endovascular repairs. With over 8 million PAD patients in the U.S., many of whom require revascularization, there is a significant patient population that could benefit from the EndoForce system's minimally invasive approach. Similarly, approximately 700,000 patients undergo dialysis access procedures each year, with high rates of failure and repeat interventions. Open anastomosis remains the standard of care for these procedures, but it is associated with prolonged operative times, increased bleeding and infection risk, and challenging post-operative recovery. By reducing procedure time, bleeding and infection risk, and potentially improving long-term patency rates through more precise and uniform vessel connections, EndoForce has the potential to transform vascular surgery and endovascular interventions. As healthcare systems increasingly move towards less trauma and faster recovery times, the minimally invasive options enabled by EndoForce are likely to be highly valued. 4. Competitive landscape and differentiation. Key competitors include Merit Medical, which offers vascular access devices but no endovascular anastomosis, Medtronic and Gore, which provide endovascular grafts and stents, but suturing is still required. Finally, anastomotic staple companies, which primarily focus on open surgery and have limited catheter-based solutions. Phraxis's competitive advantages stem from being the only FDA-approved system that enables sutureless, catheter-delivered anastomosis. Its compatibility with various vessel types and sizes, intuitive user experience, streamlined workflow, and strong clinical data further reinforce its differentiated position in the market. 5. Strategic outlook. Phraxis should consider a staged approach to maximize commercial impact. Initially, focus on targeted rollout at high-volume vascular surgery and interventional centers, while continuing to build early real-world data that supports expanded clinical indications and builds user confidence. Then broaden adoption over the ensuing 18 to 36 months by partnering with leading vascular groups and healthcare systems. Concurrently, initiate payer engagement to secure appropriate reimbursement codes that reflect the procedure time savings and complication reduction offered by EndoForce. Finally, over the ensuing 3 to 5 years, expand indications to dialysis access revisions, complex aortic repairs, and potentially coronary applications. Additionally, exploring integration with digital procedural planning and imaging may further enhance precision and outcomes. Throughout this journey, continuous UX improvements alongside clinical validation, reimbursement strategy, and physician education will be vital to accelerating uptake and establishing EndoForce as the standard of care for endovascular anastomosis. Final assessment: Phraxis' EndoForce system represents a potentially transformative technology in vascular surgery and endovascular interventions. Its FDA approval validates the innovation and safety profile, while its unique sutureless, minimally invasive approach addresses significant procedural challenges. Given demographic trends and a shift towards less invasive vascular care, Phraxis is well-positioned to capture meaningful market share with a focused go-to-market strategy and robust clinical and economic evidence development. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next report.